Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. It's Thursday, January the 6th. I've got 4 or 5 great press releases for you. Resources are dominating. I've also got some China news. I've saved that to the end. Let's get straight to the news first. Big news coming out of Lumina. Copper trades on the venture exchange under the stock symbol LCC. They announced that they intersected 244 meters, grading 1.36% of copper equivalent, including 102 meters, grading 1.99% copper equivalent. These are big numbers here. These are results of 3 of the first 4 holes on their 2010 drill program at their 100% owned Taca copper moly gold deposit in Argentina. The highlight hole we're talking about here is JO110. It included copper, gold, and moly. That's why they gave you a copper equivalent number. The company says that these results, in conjunction with previously drilling completed by Rio Tinto in 2008, suggest that a previously unknown zone of the higher grade mineralization may be emerging within the existing mineral resource. More than just lip service, the company knows what it's talking about. Closed yesterday $4.50, 52-week low 90 cents. Huge move. Shareholders are happy there. 52-week high 518, so it's trading up near the upper trading range of its 52-week range. So congratulations to David and his group over there. Keep watching that company. Next up, Evolving Gold, no stranger to AGORACOM Small Cap TV. And in fact, most resource investors out there. It's been a market darling. Remains strong. A lot of attention on it. Trades on the TSX under the stock symbol EVG, and for our friends in Germany under EV7. They announced that drilling intersected 102 meters, grading 1.72 grams per ton of gold. These are additional assay results from the Antelope Basin. This is in the 2010 core drilling program at the Rattlesnake Hills project in central Wyoming. Now, these are as an infill and step-out drill program, and they say continue to intersect long intervals of gold mineralization, confirming and expanding the gold zone. The Antelope Basin now is actually the smaller of the 2 main gold zones on the Rattlesnake project that has gotten so much attention from small cap investors and financial institutions everywhere. It was designed to step out and infill to identify gold mineralization. All 5 drill holes intersected multiple intervals of gold. You have to like that. And they're saying much of the gold mineralization is shallow and oxidized. That number I gave at the beginning in the headline was hole RC 153. That included a high-grade interval of 9.1 meters, grading 7.0 grams ton of gold. So Evolving Gold continues to put out great news. Closed yesterday $1.12, 52-week low 69 cents, 52-week high $1.29. So closer to the higher range. Definitely the market is sitting in anticipation of Evolving Gold, and I have to make a personal disclosure. I do own shares personally in Evolving Gold, so assume I'm conflicted, but we've been reporting on the company for a while now. So good news for Bob and his team over there. Canaco Resources, TSX Venture Exchange, CAN, they're announcing a discovery hole at their Harvest project in Ethiopia, where they've intersected 52 meters at 1.55 grams ton of gold and 4.1% copper. The company says these are exciting diamond drill results. Those are their words. This Harvest project in Ethiopia was acquired in August 2010. However, it remains subject to certain conditions and final acceptance from the TSX Venture Exchange. So they don't have it officially yet, but I'm assuming they feel confident enough because they're putting out this kind of news. They're calling this significant drill result. It's a program of 12 holes, 11 of which were drilled over an 800-meter strike length. That highlight hole that I gave you also included 25.97 grams ton of silver, and also included it was within 23.5 meters, 1.88 grams per ton of gold, 7.3% copper, 21.88 grams ton of silver. They also had hole D002, 13.2 meters, 2.84 grams ton of gold, 300.11 grams ton of silver. They're hitting big numbers here. And again, more than just lip service. Closed yesterday $5.68, 52-week low 36 cents. Unbelievable how these companies performed over the last 2 weeks. Their 52-week high is 622, so they're right up there and not too far off that high. And finally, switching over to China, some good news out of there, out of LDK Solar. They trade on the New York Stock Exchange on the stock symbol LDK. The bigger news here is a smaller company. They've agreed to acquire 70% of Solar Power Inc. for $33 million. That company, Solar Power Inc., trades on the OTC under the stock symbol SOPW. So if you've got a New York Stock Exchange company acquiring 70% of your company, that's got to be good news. I haven't taken a look at the market action for SOPW, but I will. I suggest you do as well, because that's the headline here. The companies say that this significantly strengthens SPI's balance sheet, that's a smaller company, enabling the acceleration of the development of its project pipeline, which in turn should provide LDK Solar, the bigger company, the acquiring company, with enhanced downstream benefit. LDK closed yesterday at 1035, pretty much in the middle of its 52-week trading range, 1510 on the high, 497 on the low. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you're watching this on Globe Investor and you look for more great small cap resource news, then either look below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're on, to look for more great companies that we've discovered over the past few days. Otherwise, get stuff to the front page of AGORACOM. Watch this show, but if you can't watch it daily, go through our syndication partners, iTunes, YouTube, Yahoo Video, whatever's convenient for you. 2, take a look at the best press releases over the past few days in the small cap space. And 3, get stuff in the directory, discover some more great small cap companies that we're following. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.